In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 8 hours in Excel, a handy skill for managing time within your datasets effectively. Whether you're tracking work hours, project timelines, or scheduling, Excel can seamlessly calculate time adjustments for you. Let's dive right into the process, starting with accessing our files. Imagine you've got an Excel spreadsheet that needs updating, and you're looking at a list of timestamps where each requires an additional 8 hours. The first step is to open your file. We'll be using an example file for this tutorial. Suppose this file is stored on OneDrive or a similar cloud service. You'd navigate to the service's website, in our case OneDrive, and locate your file. Once you've found your Excel file, open it. This will bring up your spreadsheet ready for editing. Now, here's where the magic begins. To add 8 hours to a time value in Excel, we utilize a simple yet powerful formula. Our base formula is going to be equal sign A 2 plus time, 800. This formula is quite straightforward when you break it down. The equal sign A2 portion tells Excel to look at cell A2. This is where your original time is located. The plus time 800 part is where we instruct Excel to add 8 hours to the time in cell A2. Here's how you apply the formula. Click on the cell where you want the new time to be displayed, let's say B2. Once selected, you type in the formula equal sign A2 plus time 800 and press enter. Instantly, Excel adds 8 hours to the time value in cell A2 and displays the result in cell B2. This formula is incredibly flexible. The time function breaks down to time, hours, minutes, seconds, meaning you can adjust it to add any amount of time you need. In our example, we've entered 8 hours, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. If you needed to add, say, 8 hours and 30 minutes, the formula would tweak to equal sign A 2 plus time, 830. A couple of things to keep in mind while working with time in Excel. Excel operates on a 24-hour clock, so adding time that rolls over into the next day works seamlessly. However, the format of your cell will dictate how these changes display. If your cell is formatted to display time in AM PM, adding 8 hours to 7 PM will reflect as 3 AM. You might want to double check your cell format if the result appears off. Simply right-click on the cell, select Format Cells, and under Number, choose the time format that suits your needs best. Let's also touch upon the range of applications for this. You might be managing a project across different time zones, tracking shifts in a workplace, or even logging hours for billing clients. Understanding how to manipulate time in Excel not only makes these tasks easier, but also far more accurate. Moreover, Excel's time calculation can extend to subtracting time, or even calculating differences between two timestamps. The foundation remains the understanding of the time function and how Excel interprets and displays time. Experimenting with different formulas and functions opens up a vast array of possibilities, from straightforward time tracking to complex project management scenarios. To recap, today we've learned how to open an Excel file from OneDrive, input a formula to add a specified number of hours to a given time, and adjust the formula to suit different needs. Remember, the key to mastering Excel lies in practice and experimentation. Don't hesitate to play around with the formulas, tweak them, and see how they can best serve your specific requirements. I hope this tutorial has illuminated the process of adding hours to time values in Excel, making your data management tasks a little easier and more efficient. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, consider exploring more to enhance your Excel skills further. Happy spreadsheeting!